All right, yeah, so today here we are getting ready to deliver our Cadillac CTS-V project we've been working on. For anybody that's been following the project, we started off doing a bunch of engine mods to it, including a cam swap, full exhaust, long tube headers, supercharger upgrade. And then we did a custom hood scoop that's got a 2019 ats-v scoop that we molded into the hood. And then we got a set of custom FORGELINEE wheels for it. And finally, we did a multi-stage paint correction on it, and it's got Gtechniq Crystal Serum Ultra ceramic coating on the paint. And now we're getting ready to deliver it and take it back to the customer's house.